On the list of things to do next is the throttle. So this is a universal throttle cable from Lokar, 240 inches. I think that'll be enough. It's the longest one I could find. So I'll get this installed and have to make a throttle pedal. For the linkage and the mechanism of the gas pedal, I'll be using these rod ends. It's 1/2 inch steel rod and then a bunch of collars. I have this Lokar universal cable connected now to the throttle. So the way I did it is it has this kind of just pin that connects onto the cable. I used the GM part there, and it's hard to show it because it'll go slack when I turn it, but it works pretty well. I added this extra spring just because, belt and suspenders. And the pedal assembly is now done. So the way this works is got these rod ends with a 1/2 inch steel bar. Of course there's a stop on the back side there. I added this spring just to bring the pedal back. So there's really 3 springs now that return it. So it feels pretty good. It's got a decent pressure. The mechanism is very smooth. I'm pretty happy with it. So that's the throttle pedal. Coming up next, I'll be working on putting the seats in. Thanks for watching.